After you put down your name, read the questions, all the questions, but do not start yet until I say go. Now, put up your hand, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Tell me how much time you still need to read all the questions. Okay? Okay, I'll give you 2 more minutes to read all the questions. Please stop reading. Okay. Now, how can you score well in this exam? I will show you how. This exam is so important because it counts many more times than your lab report, many more times than your assignment, many more times than these daily activities. So exam matters, and especially when you go to college. When you go to college, some exam can count as much as 80% of your grade. So we need to get you ready for the exam. And here's my expectation. This is how I will score you in the exam. If you look at the first question, then let's read me the first question.
Convert the speed 5.300 mil per second to kilometers per hour.
Right. And this is how I score your exam. If you were to write out some number, I don't know what it is, let's say 15,000. Whichever number that is. If you just write out some number, how many points will I give you? Thank you. If you just write out some number, 0 points. So what do I expect to see? I expect to see something like this. Okay? You start with the initial item, which is 5,000 or 5.00, and I want to see 0 too. And I want to see unit. You start with that, and then you show me step by step. So it would be like 1 kilometer, and then 1,000 meter, and then so on and so forth. If you show me all these steps, and you come up with an incorrect number at the end, if you show me all those steps, and you still come up with an incorrect number at the end, okay, Alejandro, in that case, how many points will I give you? If you show me all the steps, but why do you get incorrect answers? 4 of them. You will get full credit to show me the step, even though the answer is not correct.
What if the steps are incorrect?
What if the steps are incorrect? And this is when I can help you. This is when I work. I look at your step, and I try to analyze your understanding and any misconception. And I will give you partial credit, but then that will help me to make you better. I see where your good points are, where I see where your weak points are, then I can focus on the thing that you need additional assistance. That's why I need to do so much because my job is not to see it, you get the correct answers and I'm done. My job is to make you better. How can I make you better? By seeing how you do it. If I can see how you do it, that's when I can do my job, which is to help you make better. I can become a better student, a better learner, more efficient. That's why show me all your steps, as many as you can. The more detail I can see, the better I can help you. And in this exam, I also take one step, I have also taken one step further. If you go to page 3, please go to page 3. On page 3, Brandy, read the question on page 3. Number 6.
You are driving a car traveling at a constant velocity of 25 miles per second. When you see a child suddenly run onto the road, it takes 0.45 seconds for you to react and apply the brakes. When you